Okay, we're on the Cotai Strip. Right there is, we're in Macau, of course. Londoners right there with a big band statue. This one right here, there's big artwork right here. City of Dreams, and Morpheus is on the other side of that as well. So what we're gonna do is just kind of walk a little bit around this area and kind of highlight all the stuff that's going on around here. There's Cotai, Taipa is way over there, all the tall buildings. That's where most of us that live in the Taipa side of Macau will live over there. And Casino Strip right here. Let's kind of walk around a little bit, give you a little taste of it from the outside on the Cotai Strip. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So okay, that's City of Dreams right there. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to view what's going on outside. There's Morpheus right there. I wish Morpheus is a really beautiful building that it's hard to see, but it's that building right there. But there's like a big hole in the middle. City of Dreams used to be that one right there. Used to be Hard Rock Cafe, and this one is City of Dreams. And now we can go through. So we're gonna take it, go across, and just see how to do this. Parisian, City of Cities at the end. Parisian's next to it. Venetian is right here. Taipa Central is way down there, and Cotai apartment buildings is right there. That one is dead ahead. City of Dreams right there. The Wind Palace way down there. And Londoner right here. And we're kind of stranded in that spot. Okay, we got a green light. Assuming we got our green spot here, I think. It's not very clear. And now we're on our Londoner spot. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk up into the London a little bit, and that'll kind of give you an idea of the Cotai Strip. I think I filmed different casinos, but I don't generally walk out here too much, but I will today. That's beautiful. It's like it kind of blocks over here, so we're gonna have to go inside, it looks like. Let's see how we can do this. Okay, so now we actually get into the actually it looks kind of cool. Right there. Actually pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is kind of walk through here briefly. Then we're gonna come out over here. I can kind of see the viewpoint from this one, and then you can see, I think that was just gonna meander about like this way a little bit. That looks pretty cool right there. And now you can see this whole imagery like that. Get a little taste of Cotai Strip anyways. I think I need to go across here. So if I can find a way to go across, that would be the better vantage point to view from. I'll just kind of go inside real quick. I gotta go outside because the music will sometimes ruin the video. So that music is just enough that it could have the problem uploading it. So we're gonna go back this way. Move along quicker. Kind of want to get over there, but so I think I'm not supposed to come over here, but how do I get over here? I just heard somebody go, That goes up and over, so that will take you all the way to the other two casinos on the other side. Anyways, that's a little taste of the strip, and I think what we're going to do is come to an end in a moment. There's lots of stuff to film over there in front of Venetian. I have filmed it a number of times. Usually Londoner, I guess I haven't filmed outside very often. So anyways, that's a little taste of the Cotai Strip right here. And I think we basically came in at this little spot right here, and we're basically walking back to City of Dreams. And just so you know, I actually live in Macau, if you're viewing from the first time. And I parked at City of Dreams, so I just kind of gave a little taste of Cotai Strip. Of course, there's a lot more to see, but at least you got a little taste of some part of it. There's Morpheus, you can see it finally right there. So that's the Morpheus building, and Countdown as well. So Morpheus and Countdown, they're let's move down this way a little bit. Countdown used to be Hard Rock Cafe, and Morpheus is kind of this well-known building. Because of the architectural style, it's so beautiful. Okay. See a little taste of the Cotai Strip there. Nice camera angle right there. That's the Londoner right there. Studio City way down the end. Parisian right there. Venetian right there. And we're gonna try to go across here in a moment. Try to got a green light. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the camera with me just to give you a little bit more taste of the Cotai Strip from this particular angle. I'm gonna go into that building right there with the artwork towards Morpheus, and then we're gonna end the video that angle. Okay, Wind Palace is way down there. See, kind of want to run across like that girl does too and not wait, but okay, we're gonna get our green light in a second here. That's a long light. There we go. So I could go in right there, but I think it's more interesting to capture it with a camera because it is kind of unique and beautiful. City of Dreams. There's a giant robot in there. I heard there's a lot of artwork on the Cotai Strip right now. And then way down here, they actually have an art exhibition going on right now. So there's a lot of people. Oh, there it is right there. Mr. Doodle. So I did film this recently, so I'll attach it so you can see the inside of it. So yeah, in Macau they do have different things like that, different events. Okay, so now we're inside the City of Dreams. And it kind of gives you another touch of another casino, what it looks like inside. They all have a different theme or element to them. So anyways, I think this spot, I think I'm not supposed to film, so I'm gonna turn it off for a while. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.